Plato differentiated between the intelligible world and the world of the senses. The former was the world of being or beauty or forms, and the latter the world of becoming or beautiful or opinion. The world that we see, touch, and experience through our senses was not real but a copy, for things constantly changed and were fluid. Though its existence could be experienced in daily life, it was not real. The real world of true things was the world of ideas, which was perfect, eternal, immutable, and fixed. It was never created and had always existed from the beginning in a perfect way. It was independent of all things and immune to the changes that occurred in the sensory world. All that one experienced was because of the influence of the world of idea upon matter. The other principle in the universe, matter, was not the real world but an impression, a raw material to receive the idea. Therefore all changes and distortions in the sensory world were due to matter and not because of the idea. In Timaeus, Plato explained that the world of senses was created by an architect, the demiurge, who brought the ideal world and matter together without, however, explaining how the three came together. Plato described the working of the human mind and the way it acquired knowledge with the help of the allegory of the cave, b. the metaphor of the divided line, and c. the doctrine of forms. He believed that individuals have different capacities for learning and attaining knowledge. He also asserted that most of us live in the darkness of the cave, which represented the realm of beliefs. At the mouth of the cave was daylight, symbolizing knowledge. This was akin to the Hindu belief. The teacher or the guru meant one who helped a person to attain enlightenment from darkness. Martin Heidegger, 1889–1976, pointed out that Plato, through the allegory of the cave, intended to state the essence of education and the meaning of being. Moreover, Plato was also the first to emphasize the problem of universals when he stated that there was a form or idea for everything that exists in the real world.